Gotta get the bike, get my stuff together, and head on out. Bap, I'll see you and the fellas soon. Hope you guys enjoy.
Oh.
And we're off. Headed to DIA, flying out to Boston.
Where are you going, Trouble?
Charlie! I'm going to Boston. My best friend growing up, his bachelor party.
Okay, you're gonna come back then.
Yeah. Thanks for getting us here safely, Gordon.
Yeah.
Yay, I get to go through all that crap. Yay.
Hold on for departure to all A's gates.
So our flight's been delayed by 2 hours. Stuck here in DIA. Some nice people gave me these spring rolls though.
Nice GoPro.
Thanks, bro. Sorry. Am I the last one?
No, you're the second to last one.
Well, that's better. Thank you. That's me, bro. Oh, you guys gave me all the blankets. Nice.
All right, off the plane, into my rental car, and on the road down to Providence, Rhode Island.
Headed down to the groom store to go get fitted. Gotta get ready for this whole suit game for my buddy Bap and Amanda's wedding. Attleboro. Oh my god, what a nightmare. Jeez. Got the dunks. Place is a zoo. It's an absolute zoo. Donuts okay. Coffee's pretty good. All right. All right, we're on, where are we? Westminster Street in Providence at the groom store. Whoa. Suit's all done, all fitted. One thing's for sure, it is friggin' hot. Whew. Much better.
So right after the groom store, I dropped in at my folks at home to surprise them. My dad was the only one home. Somehow I deleted that footage. Really upset about that. After a 3-hour visit there, it was another 3-hour drive up to Vermont for Bap's Backwoods Bachelor Party Bash. That was a tongue twister.
And we're still driving. We are, what is it, 7 minutes away. Bap's Backwood Bash for sure. We are in the backwoods of Vermont. Can't wait to get there.
Alright, we made it. We're at his brother Jason's mountain home up here in Vermont, and he got all the old school friends together for a great time.
Ours is just. Ours is different. Ours is like. I'll take it, bro. Yeah. You want to follow the. Hey, Jay! Ours just didn't have a all back on it. Just like move on. You know what I mean? Yeah, Brad.
Well done.
Now, since I don't golf, I was going to go mountain biking up at Mount Snow, but instead, my buddy Andy's not golfing either, so me and him are teaming up in a cart and driving around.
Did you not want him?
You're realizing just what I'm missing. So much more than just regrets. Cause if you can't love yourself, how can't you love the next show? Well, me and Dirty, we've been kicking this since old school. We had this dream to rock, yeah, we'd be so cool. And I remember just chilling out in my backyard, sipping on some
Look at them, get perfect.
40s, writing songs, laughing so hard. It always seemed like such a...
You will not make this putt, you jackass.
It always seemed like such a dream to me. It always seemed like it was so far from reality. But deep inside I always knew it was gonna be like that. And if I ever got a chance, you'll walk with me, you'll last. But I've been so long from myself and from the
Nice, good eye. Nice shooting, soldier!
like I've been changing, and I don't like just
Ooh, is that 2 for 2?
Daddy boy. Got the paparazzi here.
Oh, here we are. The pony boy. That's good, dude. Be a good shot. Oh, where are you taking us? Andy's steering, I'm gassing. Oh. Impressive.
What? Cockerel treating you right?
Huh? Wolfie, how long was that?
That was 220.
Jeez, man. Nice shot, man.
Yeah, Ranger said, oh, no chance of getting on the green from where you are. I said, oh yeah, how far is it?
Showing Ranger Rick what's up, huh?
Ranger Rick.
Well, Safari. Hey! Totally forgot about you guys. Okay.
Favor, big favor. Go back to that green. I left my vodka soda. It's in a big 2-liter bottle.
Is it broken? Yeah. This is all Leighton's fault. He's made us look for his drink.
Turned to an expensive drink.
Rip it! Ripping sips!
Got the cook. Nice.
Chris, help it win.
It's pretty crispy.
Nice. Dude, nice shot, man.
Say, let's get a picture of you and I.
What? They're doing that way? Need a full squad pick of that backdrop.
Yeah, oh yeah.
we'll slide off. We'll go back there.
Yeah, still not bad though.
We'll hit here. We'll hit a couple good ones in the back. Yeah.
We don't want to have Steve with us, so let's get him.
Bud Light. I'll do Bud Light King.
How many bucks then?
Where'd you get that from? J.C. Penney. Nice. Aim left. Need that mower support.
See what happens. Can't hurt, right?
No, you're not gonna pop it up that way. You're gonna drive through it. Oh, baby. Shooter's tour.
That's a machine gun. You getting a Tacoma?
I'm not a pressure shooter, Taylor.
Edit that. Edit that one.
Oh, God.
There it is. Nice shooting, soldier. I can't see it.
That's gone.
Oh, mustard.
After a great day of the links, we headed up to the top of Mount Snow for some drinks and some good times.
Close.
What side you got, Ford?
We're gonna walk back this way.
Now, put him on the rocks. What are you doing?
Get closer.
I don't want to stand this close.
I say one.
That's the party!
Just
Four.
Chris. No. Just light it first. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Light it. Behind it, Muse.
What's your piece? Heads up! Heads up!
Muse, get over here.
I love you all.
What do you say?
Let's go straight down. That's quick.
Oh, don't throw that.
Go 3, 2, 1, and we go. 3, 2, 1, go. But you say go. Everybody.
Hold on, I gotta win.
2, 1, light it.
Come out.
Yeah, loosen up. This is so sketchy.
Woo!